2, 3, and 7, 2, 3, and 8, 2, 3. Good.
How's it going, everybody? Tyler Schwartz here, and we are diving back into the treble reels today with the beginner treble reel series. Step number 2 today. If you haven't yet seen the first video, go on ahead and head over to that video to learn the first step. They all connect, and that first step is I'd say the easiest, the simplest step, and in that video I teach the foundational basics that help then to develop to be able to do the second step. Some of the trebles and the movements and whatnot. I go into more detail in the first video. In this video, we go through that a little bit faster. The pace is a little bit faster, so it might make more sense to head over there first. We build on that in this step, and yeah, it's a pretty fun one. Before we dive into that, if you're new to this channel, consider subscribing and helping me grow this channel a little bit bigger, getting some more of that Irish dancing into the YouTube atmosphere. And yeah, hit the little bell there that will help you with notifications and know exactly when the next video comes out, when step number 3 comes out. If you know anybody that would like to start learning some beginner introductory Irish dancing skills, this is a great place to start, so I definitely recommend you sharing these videos to them. Maybe they'll have some fun with it. If you'd like to support this channel further, you can either head over to Teespring, where I have merch like the shirt I'm wearing right now, or you could head over to my Patreon at patreon.com/Tyler Schwartz, where you can become a producer of the show, get your name added to the end credits, and yeah. Also, the music you're hearing right now is brought to you by FEIS App. Whether you're looking for Irish dance music to practice to, or you just want to vibe to some Irish music, FEIS App has you covered with hundreds and hundreds of Irish dancing tracks, from hornpipes to jigs to reels, set dances. That's the place to go. Below, I'll provide a link to FEIS App if you're interested. Without further delay, let's get on to the video.
Alright, so we're basically going to flip-flop our combinations from the first step. So where we started with a bang, step, treble, hop back in the first video, we're going to go with the triple before. So we're going to start with the triple. So we're going to go bang, step, treble, hop back, treble, hop back. Okay, to start off the whole thing. Alright, 7, 2, 3, 4, 8, 2, 3, bang, step, treble, hop back, treble, hop back. There we go. So we've already learned this combination. It was the ending of our first step. So if you need extra work on that, head on over to the first video. We'll go more into detail and the technique to go along with that. We want to be pulled up. We want to watch the knees. We don't want them going out here. We want the knees together, feet turned out. And every time we hop back, we're constantly placing that back foot over. All right, so let's try that again. 7, 2, 3, and 8, 2, 3. Oh, brain fart. We're doing the second step. 7, 2, 3, 4, 8, 2, 3. Now the next part, we're going to do the same exact thing, but just the left foot version of it. 2, 3, and. All right. So we're gonna go 7, 2, 3, and 8, 2, 3. Good. And now we're gonna do bang, just the single ones. Bang and treble, hop back. You guessed it, left foot at 2. Bang and treble, hop back. And now this last one is gonna be a little bit different. So we're gonna do bang. Oh, let's actually get to this to that point. So before we change things up, we're gonna do from the top. 7, 2, 3, and 8, 2, 3. Now we're going to add in a new rhythm. All right, so we're going to do bang and treble hop back, but now we're going to do a treble to the front. And how we do that is on our left foot, we're going to go treble, and then we're going to take our left foot and go onto that. So we're going to put our full weight onto that front foot, and then we're going to put our back foot down. Okay, so that's just on its own. Okay, treble, and instead of bringing it back, we're going to keep that left foot in front. Step in. Treble, step in. You can also call it that, a treble step in. So treble hop back, treble step in. So we have our treble hop back, and we have our treble step in. Okay? So let's just try that again. Just that on its own, the treble step in. 2, 3, and treble step in. Try 2 in a row. 2, 3, and treble, treble step in. Try a treble step in into a treble hop back. Treble step in, treble hop back. See, so we can combine those together to do similar rhythms, but different movements. All right. So let's try treble hop back, treble step in, treble hop back. So we're going to start on the right foot. We're going to go treble hop back, treble step in, treble hop back. Try that again. 2, 3, and treble hop back, treble spin, treble hop back. So we're still doing a hop, treble hop, but we're going to step into it. Step in, as opposed to hopping it back. So instead of going back, we're bringing it in front. All right, try that again. 2, 3, and treble hop back, front, treble hop back. There we go. Good, good, good. Okay, so, and also technique-wise, the same thing can be applied with the butt kicks that we had in the last step. If you have the speed going and you have the control to get the butt kicks on the hop backs, the same can be done for the treble in fronts. So same idea, treble up. So on that brush back, when you hop, same thing with the treble hop back. On the hop is when you can kick your butt with the back leg. So treble hop back, treble hop in, treble hop back. So if you have the speed at a certain point, I'd say when you're first picking up this dance, if you're new to Irish dancing, I wouldn't worry too much about the pickup yet, but it's a way to add more visual flair to the step. Yeah. So again, treble hop back, treble in front, treble hop back. So that's how we're gonna finish this dance. We're gonna start with a bang, bang, step, treble, hop back, treble in front, treble, back. Okay, try that, ready? 2, 3, and bang, step. Good, good, good. Again, 2, 3, and cool. So if we bring that on to what we had before it, we did 2 single bangs right before it, so we're going to just back up a little bit. We're going to do bang, step, treble, hop back. Okay, and let's back up even further to the very beginning, where we did 2 triple treble hop back things in a row. 7, 2, 3, 4, 8, 2, 3. All right, very good. Try it again. 7, 2, 3, 4, 8, 2, 3. Okay. So even though we're doing a new rhythm there in the ending, that treble in front, it stays with the rhythm continuity of what we've already done, where those rhythms have no breaks or pauses. It's all evenly spaced rhythms. Almost like a machine gun. Again, we want them evenly spaced so that when we go to that faster tempo, eventually, gradually, we want that tempo to stay the same so that there's no muddying of the rhythms. And we have that speed, and it sounds so fast, but it's really just slow, evenly spaced rhythms, giving that illusion. All right, so starting off slow, working your way faster, getting more comfortable with the rhythms, eventually you get to that speed. But you need to have the rhythms stay evenly spaced, not slow down or speed up, but stay evenly spaced from each other, no closer or further apart. Cool. So, how would we do that to music? We're going to use the same tune that we used before, the Golden Stud Set. It's found on the FEIS app. 2, 3, and 4, 5, and 6, 2, 3, and 7, 2, 3, and 8, 2, 3. Good. And if we were going to try that with the pickup and back, it would look a little like this. 2, and 3, and 4, 2, 3, and 5, 2, 3, 6, 2, 3, 7, 2, 3, and 8, 2, 3. Whoops. Let's try that again. I forgot the first one. 6, 2, 3, 7, 2, 3, and 8, 2, 3. All right. Again, take it nice and slowly. Gradually that will work its way to the feet. It's got to start in the brains and make its way to the feet. So gradually practicing it piece by piece, you'll eventually be able to do the whole thing all in one. And if any of this went way too fast for you over your head, again, rewind it back, play it back in 3/4 speed or half speed. I think it was my favorite part about YouTube. You can keep replaying it. You can keep taking the class over and over again until it makes more sense. Now, cool thing about this is it connects right with our step beforehand. So if we connected this to our first step, we would go straight off of the final hop treble, hop back treble, hop back treble, hop back, bang, and we'd go right into this and treble, hop back treble, hop back treble, hop back. So let's try to put them two together, both two steps. Here we go. 7, 2, 3. So from the top of the first step that we learned in the previous video. 7, 2, 3, and 8, 2, 3. And new step. There we go. Now, how would that sound if we did it to the music? Let's go back to the Golden Stud. Five, 6, 7, 8. All right. Good deal. Good deal. And again, understanding these more simpler treble reels help you gain that knowledge of the rhythms, the pauses, the breaks, the streaming of rhythms that'll help you understand and be able to do more complex steps moving forward. And I hope to teach soon. If you enjoyed this content, be sure to leave a like, comment down what you'd like to learn next or what your favorite part of this step was. If you're not already a subscriber, be sure to subscribe so that you know when the next video is coming. I really appreciate it as well. Hitting the little bell will tell you exactly when those next videos come. I have a lot of fun teaching these and hope you enjoyed it as well. I'll see you in the next video. Bye!